Looking for the best air fryer to upgrade your kitchen in 2026? You're in the right place. In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 best air fryers of 2026, comparing performance, features, capacity, and overall value to help you find the perfect one for your cooking needs. Whether you want crispy fries, juicy chicken, or quick healthy meals, there's an air fryer here for you. All product links are listed in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. 5 Chefman TurboFry Touch Easy View. Meet the fast and easy solution for crispy, delicious meals at home. This compact 4-quart air fryer is built to handle any culinary challenge. With a sleek digital touchscreen, 4 one-touch presets, and powerful 450 degrees Fahrenheit high-fry technology, you can customize time and temperature to get that perfect golden crunch, especially in the final minutes of cooking. Designed to serve 2 to 4 people, its stylish, space-saving build fits neatly on any countertop while delivering big performance. Enjoy healthier, low-fat meals with little to no oil. Keep an eye on your food through the Easy View window and get shake notifications for evenly crisp results. Cleanup is effortless with dishwasher-safe non-stick parts, and built-in safety features like automatic shutoff give you peace of mind. Trusted Chefman quality that makes everyday cooking faster, easier, and tastier. 4. Cuisinart TOA 17AS. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Cuisinart 1800-watt air fryer toaster oven, a true all-in-one appliance built for convenience and performance. With versatile cooking functions including air fry, toast, bake, convection bake, broil, grill, and warm, it handles everything from crispy wings to perfectly baked pizza. Its spacious interior fits 6 slices of toast, 3 pounds of wings, a 12-inch pizza, or even a 4-pound whole chicken with ease. Thanks to Air Advantage technology, hot air circulates efficiently for fast, evenly cooked, crispy results every time. The adjustable temperature dial, toast shade selector, and 60-minute auto shut-off timer give you total control, while the included air fry basket, grill griddle, baking pan, and stainless steel easy clean interior make cooking and cleanup effortless. 3 Emerald Lagasse Extra Large 26 QT. Meet the ultimate kitchen upgrade, a versatile air fryer and multi-cooker combo built to handle everything from quick after-school snacks to full meals for family gatherings. Enjoy perfectly done toast every time with an automatic shut-off timer, no burnt toast here, plus clear indicator lights that let you know exactly when it's ready. The dual-speed fan delivers golden crispy results using powerful 360-degree superheated air circulation, while the extra-large 26-quart capacity easily feeds 4 to 6 people, fits a 12-inch pizza, or even rotisserie a 6-pound chicken. Finished with a sleek stainless steel exterior, elegant French doors, and an interior light for easy monitoring, this countertop oven doesn't just cook, it elevates your entire kitchen experience. 2 Ninja Air Fryer Pro. Upgrade your kitchen game with this powerful, space-saving air fryer that delivers big results fast. Featuring Air Crisp technology, 400 Gauge superheated air surrounds your food for hot, golden crispy results with little to no oil, so you get that fried crunch with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. The large 5QT non-stick basket fits up to 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of wings, making it perfect for families or game nights, while 4-in-1 functionality lets you air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate with ease. Go from frozen to crispy in minutes. Enjoy quick cleanup thanks to the non-stick basket and crisper plate, and save counter space with Ninja's latest compact design. Plus, it comes with a chef-inspired 20-recipe book and cooking charts, so you can start cooking smarter right out of the box. 1 Cosori CAF DC601. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Cosori Air Fryer featuring innovative Turbo Blaze technology, delivering a powerful 3600 RPM fan and heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for irresistibly crispy, juicy results every time. With a 5-fan speed heating system and precise temperature control from 90 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, every meal cooks evenly with perfect texture. The premium ceramic-coated basket and crisper tray are non-stick, durable, heat-resistant, and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup effortless. Cook faster on busy days, enjoy up to 95% less oil than traditional frying, and prepare family-sized meals in the spacious 6-quart square basket, all while keeping your kitchen quiet at under 53 dB. Add in a customizable preheat function and a 30-recipe chef-crafted cookbook, and this air fryer delivers performance, convenience, and healthier cooking in one powerful upgrade. And that wraps up our top 5 best air fryers of 2026. Whether you're looking for healthier cooking, faster meals, or just upgrading your kitchen game, any of these picks would be a solid choice. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and deals before you buy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more product reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.